Hi, are you someone who's always on the lookout for new ways to hydrate your skin? Well, have you tried using a hydrating mist? It's a quick and easy way to refresh and hydrate your skin throughout the day. So, what exactly is a hydrating mist? It's a mist or spray that you can apply to your face to hydrate and refresh your skin. It typically contains water, essential oils, and other hydrating ingredients that can help soothe and nourish your skin. But are hydrating mists really worth it? Definitely. They can help keep your skin hydrated, especially on hot and dry days. Plus, they're super easy to use and can be applied over your makeup without messing it up. If you have oily skin, you might be wondering if hydrating mists are good for you. Well, the good news is that they are. In fact, they can help balance out the oiliness of your skin and provide some much-needed hydration without clogging your pores. But can a hydrating mist replace your moisturizer? Unfortunately, no. While hydrating mists can provide some instant hydration, they can't replace the long-term benefits of a good moisturizer. So, give a hydrating mist a try and see how it can benefit your skin. And remember, it's just one of the many steps you can take to keep your skin looking and feeling its best. Click the link in the description below to read detailed article about hydrating skin. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching.